In this video, I am going to demonstrate the technique of CPR, that is cardiopulmonary resuscitation on an adult. We'll practice the complete sequence of CPR with rescue breaths and an AED, that is automated external defibrillator. We'll practice the Himmlich maneuver and recovery position too. A healthy heartbeat in a regular and coordinated way. It beat in a rate of 60 to 100 beats per minute to pump blood to body and brain. Heart diseases causes heart to beat very fast and quicker. Heart's electrical system start misfiring in unusual rhythm and stops pumping blood. If blood will not circulate, stop getting oxygen to heart, brain and other vital organs. Start CPR within 10 seconds till further help arrives. If CPR performed correctly, can save the life. CPR is the combination of rescue breaths and chest compressions. It involves the compressions of heart between the breastbone and backbone and supplying oxygen. Scene is safe. Hello, are you okay? Are you okay? Help! Help! Hey you! Activate an emergency response and get an AED. Assess for normal breathing and pulse. Check pulse. Locate trachea on the side close to you. Slide two fingers into the groove between the trachea and sternocleidomastoid muscles, where carotid pulse can be felt. Check for at least 5, but no more than 10 seconds. To minimize the delay in CPR, assess breathing at the same time you check pulse. Check victim's chest for rise and fall. Normal breathing has pulse. Monitor until emergency responders arrives. No normal breathing and has pulse. Provide the rescue breathings. One breath every 5 to 6 seconds. Check pulse about every 2 minutes. If victim is not breathing normally or is only gasping and has no pulse, start high quality CPR. Kneel at the patient's side. Make sure patient is lying face up on firm flat surface. Remove or move the clothing covering the victim's chest. Position your one hand in the center of victim's chest over lower half of the sternum. Put the heel of other hand on the top of the first hand, extended or interlacing the fingers for support to arms. Strengthen your arms and position your shoulders directly over your hands. You can also grasp around wrist of first hand. Push hard, push fast. Compress at a rate of 100 to 120 per minute with a depth of at least 5 cm or 2 inches for adult with each compression. Allow complete chest recoil after each compressions. Minimize the interruptions in compressions less than 10 seconds. Give 30 compressions over 18 seconds. 29:30. Airway. Along with chest compressions, we have to give rescue breaths, 30 compressions to 2 breaths. For breath to be effective, the victim's airway must be open. Two methods of opening the airway are head tilt chin lift technique. Place one hand close to victim's head on victim's forehead. Push with your palm to tilt the head back. Place fingers of the other hand under the bony part of the lower jaw near the chin. Lift the jaw to bring the chin forward. Jaw thrust maneuver is used when head or neck injuries are suspected. Stand at the head end of the victim. Place one hand on each side of the victim's head. Place four fingers under the angle of the victim's lower jaw and lift the both hands, displacing the jaw forward. If lip closed, push lower lip with your thumb to open the lips. Breathing with pocket mask and bag and mask device. Pocket masks usually have one-way valve and available in different sizes and colors. Position at victim's side. Place the pocket mask on victim's face using bridge of the nose as a guide for correct position. Seal the mask by placing index finger and thumb of your hand closer to the victim's head along the edge of the mask. Place the thumb of your other hand along the lower edge of the mask. Place the remaining fingers of your second hand along the bony margins of the jaw and lift the jaw. Open the airway using head tilt chin lift technique. Deliver each breath over 1 second. Give 2 rescue breaths. Take a pause between breaths to allow for lung deflation. Observe the chest rise with each breath. Resume chest compressions in less than 10 seconds. 30 compressions as to 2 breaths. Bag mask device consists of face mask and ventilation bag. This device is used to provide pressure ventilation in healthcare system and to rescue breathing. It can be used with or without oxygen supply. Position yourself directly above victim's head. Place the mask on the victim's face using bridge of the nose as a guide for correct position. Use EC clamp technique to hold the mask in place. Use the thumb and index finger of one hand to make a C to press around the edge of the mask to the face. Use the remaining fingers form an E to tilt the angle of the jaw. Open the airway and press the face of the mask. Give 2 rescue breaths. Squeeze the bag to give breaths 1 second each while watching for chest rise. Switching rescuer position every 5 cycles of 2 minutes, 30 as to 2. 3 or more rescuer present. 2 rescuer can provide more effective bag mask ventilation than 1 rescuer. AED, that is automated external defibrillator. When AED arrives, put the AED near the rescuer who will operate AED. Here, mannequin and AED used for training purpose. Some AEDs are turned on when you lift the cover. Others have a power button. Power on the AED and follow the AED prompts as a guide to next step. Attach AED pads to victim's bare chest. Open AED pack patches and press sticky side on the victim's bare chest. Place one AED pad directly below the right collarbone. Place the other pad to the side of the left nipple with the top edge of the pad a few centimeters below the armpit. Attach the AED connecting cable to AED device if not connected. Clear the victim and allow the AED to analyze the rhythm. AED then tells you if shock needed. If AED advises a shock, it will tell you to clear the victim and then deliver a shock. Loudly state clear and press the shock button. The shock will provide a sudden contraction of the victim's muscle. If no shock is needed, after shock delivered, immediately resume CPR, starting with chest compressions. After about 5 cycles of chest compressions for 2 minutes, AED will prompt to analyze and deliver shock. Continue until advanced life support provider take over or the victim begins to breathe, move or react. Heimlich maneuver. For severe airway obstruction, ask victim if she is choking. If victim nods yes and cannot talk, activate emergency response system. Stand behind the victim and wrap your arms around the victim's waist. Make a fist with one hand. Make the thumb side of your fist against the victim's abdomen, in the midline slightly above the navel and well below the breastbone. Grasp your fist with your other hand and press your fist into the victim's abdomen with a quick, forceful in and upward thrust. Repeat until the object expels or victim becomes unresponsive. If pregnant and obese victim, perform chest thrust instead of abdominal thrust. When remove objects, victim starts breathing. Keep in recovery position. Thank you for watching the video.